doing? Well, I can't make him, and he won't jump the gate. It's not my fault. He's a chicken cat. Say, Arthur, jump the gate. We're not having a bath right now. Oh, what was that? It's an empty garbage can. Yeah, that's all it is. Oh, Weeble Wobbles. Oh, did you hurt your ear? Where are you going? You going to steal Mommy's computer now that she's not sitting at it? That's Mommy's mouse. Yeah, there's no computer game on there for you. Uh-oh. Made my music stop. Oh, I'm going to start over. Apparently you're on the volume somehow. Yeah, you're very proud of yourself, I know. Okay, come on, let's go go for a walk. Show me your room. Show me your room. Where's your toys? Where's your toys? No, your room's that way. Other way. Show me your toys. Show me what your toys do. Oh, show me what your toys do. Oh, pouty pout pout pout. Oh, I guess we're saying goodbye then. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna start. You were faking? I told you to say goodbye and now you're stopped. So are we going to go and show everybody your toys in your room? Oh, well, come on. Where's your pirate ship? There it is. Over here. What's your pirate ship do? What's this do? Show me. Where's your bird? Very good. What's this part do? Very good. Well. Now what? What do we do to this guy? Oh, you dumped him out already. Yeah, are you happier now? Whoa. You can't kiss the camera. Oh, you put your finger on the lens. That was bad. Backing up, backing up. Ah! Alright, all done. Now say goodbye. Bye-bye. He's just gonna grin at me.